Sesame Street must have been kinda quiet on Saturday, November 3rd, because everyone was here on Capitol Hill for the Million Puppet March. All different kinds of characters showed up, from the Doozers to Super Gonzo to this greedy corporate pig. But their message was the same: don't cut government funding to PBS. The actual number of attendees was closer to 1,000 than 1 million, but Adam Jones of Stuff TV said the march had still made such a difference, there was no way any politician would ever consider the cuts again.
I think after this, that's not even a question. I don't think this money's going to be cut.
Cooper, a self-described internet developer from Seattle, Washington, said he was shocked when he found out that Mitt Romney wanted to cut funding from PBS.
I wouldn't be here without Sesame Street, really. I support my brother Muppets all over the planet. Get education. We don't live in an intellectual desert.
This family, mom, dad, daughter, other daughter, and her daughter's husband, came dressed as PBS's The Doozers to show support. The Mama Doozer said she thought cuts could be made other places.
Corporate welfare.
But the Papa Doozer explained how he had a tax plan that would solve all of the country's economic problems without having to cut the budget at all.
Everybody just gets taxed, a flat tax off their gross income, and you get your hands into the pockets of the top 1%, and that would solve your problems.
Support for President Obama was very apparent at the rally.
I do have my Obama license.
In fact, there may have been just one man more popular than the president.
Mr. Rogers is the kind of man that you appreciated as a kid, but as an adult, you have nothing but respect. Because as an adult, it's so much harder to maintain, your own, follow your heart, your own inner GPS.
Katherine Timpf, Times24.7.com.